Chapter 2, Foreign Exchange Forex. This chapter has 5 parts. We already have studied the part 1, and in this part we have studied the following. Lesson 1, what is Forex and Forex history. Lesson 2, Forex characteristics. Lesson 3, how much Forex traders can make. And Lesson 4, Forex working hours. If you are new in this course and you have not watched these lessons, so please don't forget to watch these important lessons. Our today's lesson is in the second part. Part 2. In this part, we also have studied 2 lessons. Online trading and brokerage important terms. And lesson 6, how brokerage and online trading works. So our today's lesson is lesson 7. How to choose the right broker, or how to find the trusted broker. This is very important lesson. Watch this lesson until the end. Even if you are not a beginner in online trading, still this lesson is very important for you. Let's start our today's lesson. How to choose the right or trusted broker. For choosing the right broker, we need a checklist to consider many factors. So for that purposes, I have provided a roadmap for selecting the right and trusted broker. Finding a trusted and regulated broker is the most important factor in online trading. Even if you are a successful trader but dealing with unregulated broker, in the end you will be a loser and will lose all your investment. So for finding or choosing the trusted or right broker, we have to follow this roadmap that has 8 elements. So in this lesson, I will explain all the roadmap elements step by step that help you for finding the best and right broker. Stay with me until the end of this important lesson. Even if you are not a beginner, this lesson is very important. Don't miss this lesson and follow until the end. 1. Broker must be regulated. Investigate the broker that must be regulated by a reliable government body. Research the broker's reputations and history. Review, check out rating by other traders and government-related offices. Also look for a seal approval. Check to see if the broker is regulated by the legitimate government agency in your country. If they are regulated, they will typically display a seal of approval on their websites. Don't only trust the broker website itself. Go to the government-related authorized official website and check if your required broker is well regulated. Never rely on the broker's provided information. Most of the fraudulent brokers provide the fake certificates or fake registry regulated information. Here I have chosen some major countries like United States, European Union, United Kingdom, Canada and Australia. How to know if a broker or a dealer has regulated there. The reason I have chosen these countries is most scammers and fraudulent brokers or financial advisors abusing the people trust, claiming that they have registered with any of these countries' regulatory offices. Due to people trust around the world on these countries' strict regulatory system, investors easily trust them, especially traders in Asia and Africa are scammed by such brokers, and daily people lose their capital to such type of scammers. So here I am teaching you how to know if a broker is regulated. Never trust the advertisement and the broker advertiser, no matter which company or media advertising them. Just always do the research on your own through the legally available sources prior to start the work with any broker. 1. How to know if broker is regulated in the United States. There is 2 options for checking the broker if it is regulated in the United States. The option 1. You can check the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority or FINRA website, which lists all registered brokers and dealers. So here click on the FINRA website. After you click, this page will open. Then go click on the broker check. This page will open, and here you can choose the individual or firm which you are looking for. If you are looking for the broker firm, so you can click here on the firm and then type the required informations, and after that click on the search, and then you will see that broker, if it's regulated or not, or if that broker is already registered or available or not. So all the information will be given to you. Or if you are looking for any dealer or individual, so click here on the individual and give the required information of the individual so you can check. And also here is a broker check line as well. So if you couldn't find here, you can contact them directly and you can get all the information by calling to this line. Second option for checking the broker is regulated in the United States is to check US Securities and Exchange Commission website. After you open the SEC website, this page will open. Click here on the company filing under the search option. After that, this page will open. So here on the search options, you can click the company or a person that you are looking for. And also this website has provided a guidelines for you how to check the broker if it's regulated. Read the guidelines and follow the guidelines. It's very easy. Then you can search the broker or any other financial company that they are claiming that they have registered in the United States. So you can find it's not only limited to the broker. So you can look for any registered or regulated person or a company working in the financial system in the United States. Second, the best way to find out if the broker is regulated in the United Kingdom is to check the Financial Conduct Authority (FCA) register. The FCA regulates all the financial services companies in the United Kingdom and provides a researchable online registers that you can use to check if a particular broker is regulated. You can find the FCA register website here. So go to this website. After you open this site, this page will open. So then scroll down. So under the Welcome to Financial Services Register, this page has mentioned, in the United Kingdom, nearly all financial service activities must be authorized by the Financial Conduct Authority. You can search or register for firms and individuals and activities firms have permissions for. Scroll down the websites. There is a search options for you. If you're looking for the firms or individual, then you can put the name of the individual or firm and then click on the search button. So you will see if that broker is regulated in the United Kingdom. And also, if you scroll down at the end of the page, here is also some more useful resources and other regulations links as well, like Financial Conduct Authority or Scam Smart or many more. So beside these websites, you can refer to this website as well to become more sure if that broker is regulated. Because here in the summary disclaimer of this website I've mentioned, we try to ensure that the information on this site is correct. However, we cannot guarantee its accuracy and do not accept liability for errors or missing information. Some material is sent to us by other parties who are responsible for supplying us with accurate information. They cannot take that responsibilities. So you have to check some other government sources as well. And they have mentioned some important useful resources here in the end of their websites. So if any company or broker claims that have registered in the United Kingdom, so immediately go to this website and check that broker. Third, how to determine if a broker is regulated in European Union. The best way to find out if broker is regulated in the European Union is to check the European Securities and Market Authority (ESMA) register. The ESMA regulates all financial services companies in the European Union and provides a researchable online register that you can use to check if a particular broker is regulated. You can find the ESMA register here. And also I have mentioned all these website links on the comments below as well, that you can click here and make you able to directly visit their websites. After you click in the European Securities and Market Authority's website, so this page will open. In this page, click on the Investor Corner. After that, click on the Is the firm regulated? After that, the page will open and then scroll down the page and here there is a guideline for you how to use the ESMA's public register or authorized firm. So here is already guidelines for you and you can check any brokers in the European Union countries. So if any brokers claiming that they are registered in the European Union's country, so immediately come here to this websites and check that brokers if it is registered or not. 4. The best way to find out if broker is regulated in Africa. To determine the broker if it's regulated in the Africa, you can check the websites of the African Security and Exchange Associations (ASEA). The ASEA is responsible for regulating all exchanges and trading activities in Africa. You can search the ASEA website for a list of registered brokers and their regulatory status. Additionally, you can contact the ASEA for more information on the broker regulatory status in Africa. So go to the ASEA website. After you open the website, this page will open. So here is two options for you. One, you can go to call them directly and ask for the required broker if it's regulated or not. The second option is here that you can send them an email. And also, if you go to this website, you can contact them or you can go to the search if they are regulated or not. So if you are living in the African countries and looking for a broker, so the best way is to go through this website and check if the broker is registered and regulated. 5. How to find out if broker is regulated in Canada. For finding out if the broker is regulated in Canada, here is two options for you. 1. Check the Investment Industry Regulatory Organizations of Canada (IIROC) is responsible for regulating all investment dealers and trading activities, debt and equity market in Canada. You can search the IIROC's website by clicking on its link. So after you open this website, this page will open. The Investment Industry Regulatory Organization of Canada is the pan-Canadian self-regulatory organization that oversees all investment dealers and trading activity on Canada's debt and equity marketplaces. IIROC is committed to protecting investors, protecting market integrity, and building Canadian trust on financial regulation and the people managing their investments. So if you are new, so you can go here, click on the new to IIROC. After that, this page will open. Here you can search the required individual or broker if it's regulated in the Canada. The second option that you can check the broker if it's regulated in the Canada, you can contact the Canadian Securities Administration (CSA) for more information on the broker regulatory status in Canada. So you can go to this website as well. After you open the Canadian Securities Administration or CSA website, this page will open. In this page, go to the registrations. Click on the "Are they registered?" After that, this page will open. So on the website here, there is a guideline for you. Check before you invest. Being an informed investor is one of your best defenses against investment fraud. Before investing, follow these simple steps. So here is all the simple steps and guidelines for you that you can check if the broker is regulated in CSA or Canada or not. 6. The best way to find out if broker is regulated in Australia is to check the Australian Securities and Investment Commissions (ASIC). The ASIC regulates all financial services companies in Australia and provide a researchable online register which you can use to check if a particular broker is regulated. You can find the ASIC register website here. After you open the ASIC website, this page will open. So here in the search options, so you can search through the name or through the registry number. 7. The best way to determine if the broker is regulated in India. To determine if broker is regulated in India, you can check the website of the Securities and Exchange Board of India (SEBI). SEBI is responsible for regulating all securities markets in India. You can search the SEBI website for a list of registered brokers and their regulatory status. Additionally, you can contact the SEBI for more information on the broker's regulatory status. After you open the SEBI website, this page will open. In this page, you can search for the broker in India or any other financial or securities industries, and also you can contact them directly through this toll-free helpline number. So if you are living in India, so you can check the brokers or any financial industries through this website. So here is the important countries that I have specified their regulatory resources for you. I have mentioned all these websites links on the description below as well. Second, assess the broker fees and commissions. Make sure your required broker fees and commissions are reasonable and in line with what other brokers offer. For understanding the broker commissions and fees, consider the below steps. 1. Compare the fees and commissions charged by different brokers. Look for the best combination of low fees and reasonable commissions. 2. Check for hidden fees and charges. Some brokers charge additional fees for services such as account transfer, account inactivity, and account maintenance. 3. Ask about the broker's policy on margin fees. Find out if the broker charges fees for margin accounts and what the fees are. 4. Find out if the broker charges fees for trading stock, bonds, and other investment. 5th, ask about the broker's policy on minimum investment amounts, account size requirements, and discount for large accounts. For better understanding the broker fees and commissions, follow these 5 steps, which gives you a better idea that later you can compare it to the other broker. But make sure that you are compared always with the regulated brokers. Compare regulated brokers with each other, not unregulated with the regulated brokers. This is very important point. 3. Consider the broker's trading platforms. To consider the broker's trading platform, make sure that the platform are reliable and secure and offer the features and tools that you need to trade successfully. For understanding the trading platforms which is suitable for your trading, follow the below. 1. Read reviews. Check out the reviews of the broker's trading platform from other traders. This will give you a good idea of what to expect from the platform and how it could work for you. 2. Charting tools. Charting tools are essential for analyzing markets. Look for platforms that offer a variety of chart types, customizable indicators, and the ability to draw trend lines. 3. Trading news. The latest news can have a significant impact on the market. Look for the platforms that offer access to the latest news and market information as soon as they release. And make sure that the broker that you are working, the news that provides for you must be the latest and on time. There are some brokers that provides very late, and when you receive that news, you cannot do anything because that news is already applied at the market. So make sure the news that provides to you by your brokers must be on time and the latest. 4. Analysis tools. Technical analysis is an important component of trading. Look for platforms that offer access to any array of technical analysis tools. 5th. Order types. Different order types can be used to enter and exit trades. Look for the platforms that offer a variety of order types, such as stop losses and limit orders. 6. Check futures. Examine the futures of the platform and how they could benefit you. 7. Try it. Open a demo account and take the platform for test drive. This will give you a real-life feel for the platform and how it works. 8. Compare. Compare the platform to other platforms offered by the other brokers. This will help you to determine which one is the best suited for your needs. 4. Evaluate the broker's customer services. For evaluating the broker's customer services, make sure that the customer service is available 24 hours, 7 days a week, and the support team is knowledgeable and responsive. This is very important factor for choosing the right broker. If the broker that you are looking for and he cannot give you a 24 hours, 7 days a week support or full-time support, so it is useless. So after you evaluate the broker's customer services, then determine the broker's trading products and services. To determine the broker's trading products and services, make sure the broker offers the products and services you need to meet your trading goals. So most of the brokers cannot provide all the financial products. So before you start work with any brokers, make sure that the products that you are going to trade, that broker has on their platform. For instance, if you are going to trade the commodities, so check the broker must has that on its platform. Or if you are willing to trade cryptocurrency or stocks or any other products, prior you start with the broker, make sure that broker has that products on its platform list, because some of the traders cannot provide all the stocks on their list. So make sure what type of stock you're going to trade and your broker has that on its list. So always before you start to open an account with any broker, so make sure the required products that you are supposed to trade is available on its services or on its platform. 6. Look for educational resources. Check to see if the broker provides educational resources such as webinars, tutorials, and seminars to help you learn and grow as a trader. Especially if you are a beginner, this is very important factor for choosing the broker. It is very risky to start trade without having enough knowledge. So make sure the broker that you are working with has all the educational resources for you. 7. Make sure the broker is insured. This is very important factor. Check if the broker is insured with the related insurance corporations. If you are living in the United States, you can check the brokers with the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation's office. Why it is important to know if the broker is insured? Knowing if a broker is insured is important to protect yourself from financial losses should the broker become insolvent or experience financial difficulty. Insuring a broker means that if broker fails, customers are protected against losses. This insurance is provided through the blanket bond or fidelity bond and provide coverage for losses resulting from fraud, theft, or other dishonest activities. It is very important. If you are working with a broker that is not insured, that broker, if you face with any financial problems, so you also will lose anything and all your capital will wipe out and nobody will take any responsibility against your capitals or investment. So when the broker is insured, your investment will be safe. So make sure the broker that you are trading with is regulated and insured. After you become sure that the broker is insured, so go for the last step, which is consider the risk management tools. To consider the risk management tool, ensure the broker has a good risk management tools to help you manage your trades. Brokers can offer a variety of risk management tools to traders, including stop loss orders, limit orders, trailing stops, position sizing, and hedging. These tools are necessary for brokers because they help traders minimize their risk exposure while examining their potential returns. Here are 10 types of important risk management tools that any broker's platform must have them. 1. Stop loss orders. This is a tool that allows traders to limit their potential losses on a trade by setting a predetermined price level at which their trade will be closed. It is necessary for brokers because it helps to protect them from large losses and provide a degree of protection for traders. Second, limit orders. This is a tool that allows traders to set a predetermined price level at which their order will be filled. It is necessary for brokers because it helps to ensure that the traders have the best chance of getting the price they want when executing a trade. Trailing stops. This is a risk management tool that allows traders to set a predetermined price level at which their trade order will be closed if the market moves in the opposite direction. It is necessary for brokers because it helps to protect them from large losses and provides a degree of protection for traders. Fourth, risk-reward ratio. This tool that allows traders to calculate the potential rewards and risk associated with the given trade. It is necessary because it helps to ensure that the traders are making well-informed and educated trading decisions. Fifth, money management. These tools that allow traders to manage their money effectively. It helps to ensure that the traders are making sound financial decisions and not taking unnecessary risks. 6. Position sizing. This is a tool that allows traders to determine the size of their position in order to optimize their risk-return profile. It is necessary for brokers because it helps to ensure that the traders are not taking on too much risk and that their positions are properly sized. 7. Option contracts. This tool that allows traders to limit their potential losses on a trade by setting predetermined price level at which their trade will be closed. It is necessary for brokers because it helps to protect them from large losses and provide a degree of protection for traders. 8. Hedging. This is a tool that allows traders to reduce their potential losses on a trade by taking an offset position in related security. 9. Scaling in and out. This is a tool that allows traders to enter and exit positions gradually in order to optimize their risk-return profile. 10. Volatility stop. This is a tool that allows traders to limit their potential losses on a trade by setting a predetermined level of volatility at which their trade will be closed. So we already have completed the roadmap. First, check the broker must be regulated. Second, assess the broker fees and commissions. 3. Consider the broker's trading platforms. 4. Evaluate the broker customer services. 5. Determine the broker's trading products and services. 6. Look for educational sources. 7. Make sure the broker is insured. 8. Consider the risk management tools. So anytime you are going to choose the broker, so follow this roadmap. If the broker could meet these roadmap elements, so that broker could be a trusted and right broker. So thanks for staying until the end of this lesson. So do not forget subscribe to our channel now and hit the bell to not miss our future lessons.